In this video, I want to talk you through Google Drive. Now, the easiest way to get that is to go into the school website and click Google Drive, or just search for it in Google. Once you've logged in, you're going to be met by a screen looking like this. Anything that you've uploaded recently will appear in the quick access bar at the top. Your folders will appear underneath that, and any files that you have created will then appear below that. Now, it's really important that you set up a good folder structure in Google Drive. Otherwise, you'll end up with hundreds of files looking like this that will mean nothing to you, and so it's really important that you actually set up a file system. You've also got shared drives down the left hand side here. These are any drives that have been shared with you. So for example, this is the ICT computer one with nothing in it at the moment, but we should be moving away really from storing files on the school system to storing them in Google Drive, in particularly these shared folders. Anything that's been shared with you will appear in the shared with me. So these are files that have been shared with me, and you can see all my recent files that I've looked at as well. This is a really useful tool, the starred system. If there's a file or folder that somebody shared with you, or a document that you need to remember, what to do is when you go onto this, here's Mr. Bingley's CPD hub. If you click on the down arrow, and you can add or remove a star here, and that means that you can access that at any time. So if I go back to my drive, here's the tutor time for year 12. You can see Ms. Ferrero has shared this with me. You can share documents with different people. So for example, if I wanted to share this one with somebody, what I can do is if I right click on it and click share, I can type somebody's email into there, and I can share that with anybody else I want to share that with. Now I can upload documents by clicking on new. I can make new folders, upload files, or upload a whole folder, one document at a time. In here as well, I can create new documents, sheets, or slides which can be useful for you. Now you'll notice that automatically when you're using Google Classroom, a folder will appear here. This is going to have all of your different classes in it. So every piece of work that a student submits to you will appear in these folders. You'll also see all the documents that you've submitted directly onto here. So that's keeping that in one nice place for you. There are a few other bits and pieces that may be useful for you. Whenever you've got a document, you can add it to Workspaces, which are the workspaces that you've shared over here. You can show the file location, you can add shortcuts, there are loads of different things that you can do. One of the most powerful things that you can actually do is you can search your drive. Because it's built on Google, this search bar is really powerful. So if you are looking for something, try searching for it in the top bar.